This is my fall garden cleanup routine to winterproof everything step by step. Autumn is fleeting fast. One day you're enjoying the weather, and the next thing you know, winter's at the door. So let's get these bottle gourds harvested before the season closes out. Well, the growing season was generous, but nobody told these gourds what normal looks like. They all decided to bend sideways and do an awkward stretch. But hey, they've got character. Next on the agenda is taking apart this automatic watering system that's been working hard for the last few months. These might look basic, but they've been faithfully spraying water from my koi pond every single day. By the way, I built the koi pond from scratch. And yes, there's a whole video about it on my channel if you're curious. Time to deal with all these vines. The bigger chunks are getting a couple days of sun to dry out, because once they shrink down, they're way easier to work with. The smaller scraps are getting buried with the fallen leaves. Basically composting simplified. Now for the final touch. Cover this bare dirt with artificial grass and actually make this place look presentable.
Looks great, but we can't let the wind turn this into a flying carpet. First, drive a couple of wooden stakes in the ground. Then use large washers and bolts to keep everything secured, which also keeps the dirt sealed down during the brutal windy winters. Now that the ground looks nice, the peeling paint on the wall is suddenly impossible to ignore. This happens every single year, and honestly, it's driving me nuts. If you've got a solution for this wall situation, I need to hear it. By the way, this is how I have fun making stuff after retirement. At the young age of 68, I just discovered YouTube. I'm having the time of my life sharing what retirement really looks like. Gardening, DIY projects, learning shuffle dance, staying fit, traveling, and caring for my dog, birds, and cats. If you want to see more of my retirement adventure, hit that subscribe button. Trust me, we're just getting started.